What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we partnered up with Super Clean, and if you haven't heard of Super Clean, is your stuff really clean? Hold up, I think we should switch out of this shirt really quick. Wait, one more thing is missing. There you go, let's get it. Alrighty guys, so let us get this seat out of this car. That way I can show you an in-depth view of it looking dirty and then being cleaned. Let's get it. This is our 2007 Toyota Corolla, and although it doesn't look like much, it may give you a run for your money. Our little Toyota friend has been through a lot with actual miles unknown. It may be 100,000 miles or 450,000 miles, but regardless of its unknown life journey, it needs to be cleaned. I mean, super cleaned. Alrighty guys, so we are gonna pull this out right now. It's so easy, it's just as simple as 4 bolts, 14 millimeter, and that's it. We're gonna pull the seat out. You don't have to do this, but for this demonstration purpose only, I'm gonna show you with the seat out. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so we are gonna finally clean the seat. We got it out for y'all. We're gonna use the Super Clean in the spray can. Now, I like to dilute this with water a little bit. I like to fill up a bucket with some water just so the full chemical effect is not going onto the seat. What does it do if the full chemical effect goes on the seat? I have no idea, and I have not tried it. I don't really want to try that. But other than that, I'm just gonna spray this on, use some warm water with a scrubber, scrub this out. Now also, you need to wear gloves when you're using this, but I've touched worse. So if you wanna wear gloves, go ahead and wear it. You don't have to follow me, but you only live once. So I like to spray it. Take my scrubber with warm water and agitate the dirt a little bit. Get it all nice and agitated. So there are some spots on this that I am going to want to focus on a little bit more because it's a little bit darker with stains. So we're going to spray this and re-scrub it. So we do have a little stain right here. We're going to try to get that one out on the bolster. May have sprayed too much, but oh well. He's out. He's already out. Not that much effort, guys. Awesome. Super cleaned. Looks like new. If seats could talk, I wonder what they would say. These seats had its fair share of booty and neglect. A lot of grime and human slime, as Moog likes to say. Just dab a little Super Clean and watch them shine. Now this looks super clean. Guys, obviously the seat has some cigarette burns in it, so that has to be fixed, so that'll be on a later episode. Thank you so much, Super Clean, for sending me out this can and a couple of your other products here that I definitely have to try. This works amazing, guys. If you guys want to get some, definitely check out superclean.com, local Walmart, and other stores out there. I'll leave everything in the description below for you guys to know where you can pick these up, or like I said, visit superclean.com. Now, I do want to say, Super Clean, thanks again for sending me this out, and they also sent me out another one in a spray bottle, and they sent me out this wheel cleaner. So I will definitely use this in another video focusing on the rims and how to clean them in the perfect way possible, King Custom style. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for viewing this episode with me, and I will see y'all later. Peace.